Welcome back to my vlog. Today also I will start my vlog. I make vlog daily. So my vlog contain daily life in Saudi Arabia, how we survive as a foreign employee, as a coffee maker. So that's why today my off day. Today no need to I go duty. That's why every day I shoot the vlog when I go duty, when I come back the duty, what time I have time, that time I make the vlog. But today my off day. It's been 1 week, 1 day I have the off day. So today my rest day. That's why I came outside. Then my accommodation near. I have many coffee shop, and I came here. Just I be fresh. Just I take rest. I visit the many coffee shop. So this is my how we daily life in Saudi Arabia. We survive and how do we sacrifice. I want to explore from my this blog. So this blog is intention not for Nepali people. It is just for all of country. So daily, our country and Saudi Arabia is doesn't match that weather. Very difficult. So our country we have the natural is very good. No hot, no cool. It's just normal. So in Saudi Arabia, if we compare between Nepal and Saudi Arabia about the weather, it is very difficult, very different. Our country is temperature is just like 25 around 30, but in Saudi Arabia temperature almost go 40. Now is winter finish. Now is changing the summer. That's why before 1 week is the more water raining daily, daily, daily. Maybe almost 15 days. 1 day off, 1 day on like that raining coming. That's why now is almost into the became the summer. So now I feel hot. Now I living in outside because this shop is always closed. So I came that way visit many shop. So I want to explore how we survive in Saudi Arabia daily life as a coffee maker for an employer. So about if I talking about that one, why I start my vlog because I work as a coffee shop. That's why before 4 year and half I don't go Nepal in vacation. So I survive here 4 year and half. That time I change company in the 4 year and a half. Many company. Then I take the lot of experience. Then I meet the lot of the people in the many country people. Then I ask him how you survive the daily life in Saudi Arabia. But many people is don't satisfied in Saudi Arabia about salary, about how to spend the time, how to survive, how to sacrifice. So I think I have to start about that one. People can take from my video inspiration, then can take know is the all about the in Saudi Arabia information. So when I came before, is people came in Saudi Arabia, maybe people doesn't know about that one is what is the reality in Saudi Arabia. So how to survive? What about the weather? What about the work? What about the salary? So I want to give the all information day by day. So I make every day explore my from this blog what I do, how to do like that. So daily I have to work 10 hour. 10 hour I have my duty hour. Then before 10 hour I include before duty start I have to come out 20 minutes before that time. So this is my accommodation too. Always at the duration time. Then that time I make the video. But now today my off day. That's why I can make relax. I can make with any place sit down. Now I make start the vlog. So before I was use language just Nepali because I'm from Nepal. But now many people ask to me to my video show. Then he asked to me, "What you talk in your blog? What you exploring? Why you make video like that? Many country people ask to me. That's why I think better than use the English language. This is for all country. Everyone can understand what I exploring, what I doing. That's why I use the English. So this is I explore in Saudi Arabia. How we survive the daily life. Foreign employer as a coffee maker. So I explore daily vlog. So I don't have the long. I don't have any important content. Just like that is normal. How we survive the daily life. Just like that. What I am doing now. It's my off one day. So that day today I take the rest. So today I have the time. My accommodation near. I visit. I my country people. I talk. I take rest. I feel relaxed. So this is the survive the day. If you have the one day off day, is don't stay in your room. Just come outside and meet with your friend. Visit the some good place. You can uh, make the day is the happy because if you sit down inside just accommodation, I think you feel is the overthinking. You feel boring. So you just must be you have to come outside and you can take relax, you can meet with new friend, then you can see the many people, then you feel is the better. So today my off day. Yesterday I was go from duty, then I sleep the same time I wake up, then just I shower, just I cook. After it, I come outside, I visit the coffee shop, I meet the people, I talk with people, then like that. So this is for just normal. Many people want to know about in Saudi Arabia. So many people here is upset, scared, how to spend the time, how to survive, how to so just me do like that. You came just for work, just you have to be focused on the duty. Just go duty, just come back like that. So also me, even the 4 year and half, I survived the here in Saudi Arabia. Just me alone, without friend, without family. It mean doesn't same like the natural is in your country. Just like everything is just the different. We don't have the same. If we compare in Saudi and our country, everything is different. Is the environment, also the weather. So we don't have the friend, we don't have the family. So we have to be must be take the time how we survive the daily life. So that is just normal. Just wait day by day. You can learn something. You can be survive the alone. It is just a hard time, but don't be upset like that. So people doesn't know how to survive, how to know sacrifice. So I want to make the people keep the inspiration. Also me, even when I came new, that time also I think same like that. But now day by day I can feel better. I will be safe. I will be happy. I do just all. I enjoy my duty. I enjoy my time. So today now almost how 2 o'clock night, but even I'm outside. Why? Because if I have off day, holiday, 1 week, that day I doesn't stay in my accommodation. I round outside. I visit the many coffee shop. Then I meet the people. Then just I take the rest like that. So you have to must be spend the time same like to me. So now my timing is vlogging just 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's why time I think is over. So I have to close the camera. So today of day people can like me can survive the time, can spend the time same like to me. Just to be fresh, just take the time, just to go outside, meet the people, even way you want. So how to survive, how to sacrifice daily life in Saudi Arabia as a coffee maker for an employer, not for Nepali. I am from Nepal, but I am not talking to just for Nepal. Every country can learn from my this video how to survive, how to sacrifice in Saudi Arabia daily life, the routine. So now I have to close the camera because I have a lot of the time already to go. So I have to close the camera. But now time is almost 2 o'clock. But now weather very difficult. No cold. Before if I same the time I cannot stay the outside. It's cool. But now hot. And that's why no need to